Hello everyone, my name is Hannah from Xceptional Consultancy. So we provide services to quite a lot of local doctors. And actually, very common asked question is if that's beneficial for them to set up a limited company or just stay as sole trader. In lots of cases, actually for a pure tax reason, we do advise them to set up a company. But here today, I just gather some thoughts about the pros and cons by running a limited company. So of course, like for tax-wise, it will help reduce the tax bill. If one person earns like 100K a year, so it's probably better for them to form a limited company because company tax is just 20%, and they can take advantage of low salary and high dividends in this case, rather than being self-employed and being taxed at 40%, as well as paying national insurance. Second one is limited liability. So because company is a separate entity from yourself, so if the company cannot pay the bill or something goes wrong, they will not come to you personally. At most, like the creditors will wind up the company. The third is director's loan. Actually, you can borrow money from the company. If you do need money, you can borrow from the company without setting very high interest rates. Actually, the first 10 grand when you take from the company, it's interest free. So you can take advantage of that. And lastly, there are lots of tax-free benefits. Something very commonly like childcare, or like say your mobile phone is tax-free, as well as lots of perks you can take. So you can use them to reduce your company tax bill as well. So these are the benefits which we talk quite a lot with our clients. But there are also cons like the disadvantages. First of all, of course, if you have a limited company, it's a separate entity and administration burden is higher because you need to submit accounts in the proper format every year. And if you delay, you get a penalty. And secondly, not just you have to manage your personal tax once a year. Company is just like, it's a separate entity and you own it. You have to take care of that as well. So company tax plus personal tax. Some people find it's quite difficult to manage. And thirdly, maintain the company share register, because you need to tell the company's house every year the shareholding and who's controlling the company. And also if anything changes, you need to deal with company's house as well. You need to let them know. That's again the admin burden. And lastly, taking money from the limited company is not really as flexible. You can take out as form of a salary by running a payroll, as a form of dividends, as well as a form of loan. But whereas if you are sole trader, you get paid as long as you reserve enough money to pay the bill and pay the tax. Then you can just use the rest of the money freely. So that's another disadvantage. So I hope you find this very helpful. I hope it will answer your questions about limited company or being self-employed. But of course, if you are in position of being a local doctor and you like to talk about more, please be free to contact us on xceptionalconsultancy.co.uk. Thank you.